Okay, let's meet Michael Fagan, an American pro bowler who's come over here for some of the European Bowling Tour events. Michael, how do you like the swing around the south of Europe?
The weather's beautiful, the cities are beautiful, and the tournaments are great to participate in. It's more of a laid-back atmosphere than the PBA Tour, so it's nice to get away and have fun bowling.
What sort of difference is there between like a PBA event and the European Tour events?
I think it's more of the atmosphere. The European events have a little bit more of a laid-back atmosphere. Everyone's very friendly, and it's just great to come and enjoy.
Are you surprised at the talent of the bowlers in Europe?
The talent is world class, and a lot of the players here could easily make the transition to the PBA Tour.
What about San Marino, which was the tournament you played in last week? How did you enjoy that one?
I love the city of San Marino, this country actually. It was beautiful, and I didn't play as well as I would have liked to, but congratulations to Paul Moore. He bowled excellent.
What about lane conditions? How do they vary? You play on so many different patterns in the States.
Yeah, the patterns in Europe are, I would say, fairly similar compared to what we bowl on week to week here. The PBA, they vary more. They start with a 35-foot and go all the way to 45-foot. And we see a little bit more of a difference. The Europeans, most of the time, except in special circumstances, bowl around a 40-foot pattern, and it just varies on the conditions of volume and so forth.
You don't have tournaments with so many women participating as we do here.
No, not at all. No, very few women. It's good to see a lot of women come out and participate with the men, and a lot of the times they're right up there in the title match. So,
well, we just had a squad leader with Lisa Kowalski, who has this is her first ever bowling tournament.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. Yeah, hopefully my wife can be up there also.
Yeah, Amanda's hurt herself, I believe.
She had a little bit of a problem with the approaches last night, but she's feeling better today.
Okay, well, good luck with the rest of the tournament.
Thanks
for talking to us.
Thank you.